name is Rosan Wanika, and this is my proposed project. The design project is a multi-purpose community facility that aims to provide a sense of place and community by giving and providing education to the homeless people. The building also promotes sustainability by letting the user see and experience what being sustainable can do. This project can also be converted into an evacuation center. Therefore, in case of emergency, the building can sustain itself. The design concept is derived from the word silong, which means under a house in the Philippines, but when used differently, like makikisilong, which means taking shelter, it becomes more meaningful. When inside the silong, the area is very dark, therefore, it needs light. The greenhouse located at the center of the building represents the light that we need and symbolizes hope. A building that shelters people and educate them to go sustainable for a better future. The gathering of homeless community and volunteers will strengthen the bond between fellow citizens and most importantly, gives the homeless food and comfort. The design challenge is to think about how people would interact with the software space. Since my primary users are homeless known to be disorganized, I designed the spaces in relation to how they are going to be used from one activity to the other by using the circular form as a guide to have an organized flow of user. The site is located at the First District City of Manila, Lawton Plaza. Before we start the building, we must first study the site, where to put it, how to orient, and what would the challenges will be. First, we have the topography. The highest area is near the Magallanes Road, a good place to avoid flooding. Next is the wind map, showing the natural flow of air inside the development. Next is the hydrological map. It shows the flow of water that may gather and accumulate. Better to avoid building in that area. Next is the auditory map, showing the source of noise pollution that could affect the design process. Next is the visual map, showing where to orient views to maximize the beauty of built environment. Next is the sun path, where the sun rises and sun sets. The Silong project is designed to promote awareness. As a designer for the future generation, we must take into consideration the functionality of the building. Silong is a community facility that accommodates the homeless for their needs and let the volunteers have a place to do their charity works. There is a greenhouse at the center of the building that is using a vertical farming method. The food that will be harvested will then be used to feed the homeless. Before eating, the homeless will be given supplies like clothes, slippers, etc., and be asked to take a bath before eating to promote proper hygiene. There is a baggage locker room where they can leave their things and a waiting area if the bathroom is full. After feeding the homeless, the volunteers can then offer education and have a short class at the auditorium. After that, if they want to learn more, we have a public library for a free access for knowledge. But Silong doesn't only offer helping, but also sheltering. The building also uses solar farming and rainwater harvesting system, making it self-sustainable. The roof was also designed in a corrugated way to maximize the rainwater collected. Silong also promotes physical health and offers an area of exercising at the rooftop. As we notice, the building has only been given, but it also needs to earn to keep it going. The cafeteria is not only used for feeding programs, but also a daily earner for the building. The site is located at the heart of Manila, meaning a lot of its establishment is surrounding the area. Employees from government to private companies look for food, and with our large kitchen, earning from it is not impossible. Go green, go sustainable. Once again, my name is Rosan Manico, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.